learn about psychological or emotional violence. We will explore its true meaning, its impact on individuals, family, and society, and most importantly, how we can put an end to this. As we delve into this critical issue, we often picture physical injuries like bruises or wounds. However, there is another form of violence that leaves no visible marks, yet inflicts deeper and longer lasting pain. It is silent, hidden, and often goes unrecognized. What is violence? According to the World Health Organization, violence is the international use of physical force or power, whether threatened or actual, against oneself, another persons, or as a group, which results in injury, death, psychological harm, or deprivation.
Put simply, violence is not limited to physical pain. It encompasses any act that harms a person's mind, emotions, and spirit.
So, what exactly is psychological or emotional violence? What is psychological emotional violence? Psychological or emotional violence refers to a many act or behavior that causes or risk harm to a person, mental health, dignity, or self-worth. It involves a pattern or behavior designed to control, little or include the victim identity.
It includes verbal abuse, harassment, humiliation, threats, intimidation, isolation, and manipulation. It is often called visible violence because it leaves no physical threat and traces, but it creates deep emotional wounds that affect a person's confidence and well-being.
Because there are no physical scars, people often ask, does it really hurt? Yes, 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 yes. The damage is very real and profound. This form of abuse affects everyone in different ways, just like
Effect of the victim. For the victim, the consequences are the severe. It can lead to anxiety, depressions, and post-traumatic stress disorders. Victims of the loss self-confidence, question their own judgment, and feel worthless or powerless. They may insulate themselves and find it's hard to trust others again.
effect on the family. Within the family, it creates an atmosphere of fear and tension, destroying trust. Children who witness our experience this may carry trauma and in adulthood. Worse, they may normalize this behavior and repeat in their own future relationships.
Effect in the community. In the community, emotional violence fosters a culture of fear and silence. It hinders growth and social interaction. When abuse is hidden or accepted, the cycle of violence continues, threatening the safety and welfare of society as a whole.
Galing po kami sa Psychology Center.
Mari po ba kami magtanong? May nakaranas po ba Kung ganun, nasaan po ito? Saan po ito? Upang namin, patulungan namin ito isa.
Doon sama tayo. Ito po ang bahay nila.
Ito po ba siya?
Oh,
Hi Miss, magandang araw. Galing po kami sa Psychology Center. Pwede ka po ba tanungin tungkol sa inyong karanasan sa physical or emotional violence?
Opo, sasagutin ko po.
Ano po ang naramdaman niyo noong ninanasan niyo?
Naramdaman ko wala na akong halaga sa mundo. Sobrang sakit. Hindi ko na alam po anong gagawin ko.
Ito nag-apekto sa inyong tiwala sa sarili.
Hindi ko na, wala ako ng pag-asa na mabuhay sa mundo. Hindi ko na alam kung ano gagawin ko.
Anong mensahe po ninyo sa mga kasalukuyang biktima?
Ang mensahe ko lang sa kanila ay mag-ingat at hindi magtitiwala sa kanilang at kahit nasa kanilang mga asawa dahil magaling sila pero deep inside mamisikan sila, like meron silang tinatagong mga hindi ka nais-nais na mga bagay na pwede nga gawin sa isang babae o sa kanilang asawa.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa pagbahagi ng inyong mga kwento.
So, how can we address this issue and stop it from happening?
First, education and awareness. We must educate people about healthy relationships and boundaries. Emphasizing that emotional abuse is just as serious and harmful as physical violence.
Second, empowerment and support. Encourage victims to speak out and ensure they have access to counseling, hotline, and legal assistance.
third, setting boundaries. Promote respect for individual rights and the importance of saying no to controlling behavior.
Accountability. Perpetrators must understand that this behavior is illegal and unacceptable. They need to seek professional help to change their ways.
Building a support system. Encourage communities to look out for one another and break the silence by speaking up when abuse is suspected.
Psychological or emotional violence may not leave visible bruises. The damage it causes to a person's dignity and mental health is just as deep and lasting.
It devastates victims, breaks families apart, and weakens communities, creating cycles of pain that can last for generations.
However, through education, awareness, and solidarity, we can prevent this abuse and break the silence.
Let us remember that everyone deserves to be treated with respect and kindness.
Together, we can build a society free from fear and violence. Let us build a world free from fear with respect